I've harvested a huge amount of peanuts from just a few seeds. There's no special technique involved, just straightforward planting methods, and a few simple tips that I'll be sharing with you in today's video. So, what are these tips? Let's get started. I've already prepared the peanut seeds for planting here. I bought all of these for just $1, and now I'm going to grow every single one of them. First, remove the outer shells to collect the seeds inside. I'll line the bottom of a small container with banana leaves. Then place all the peanut seeds inside. Mist them lightly with water. Then cover the top with another layer of banana leaves for germination. I got these old paint buckets from a few secondhand shops. Now I'm going to turn them into planting containers. Cut out 3 sides of the bucket, just like I'm doing in the video. For the second bucket, drill a round hole near the bottom so water can be added easily. Place a brick inside the second bucket. For the first bucket, drill drainage holes that will also allow roots to grow through and absorb water from the bottom reservoir. Add moisture-wicking fabric through the holes you just drilled. Now, simply place the first bucket inside the second one and fill it with soil. For the growing medium, I'll mix in some Trichoderma beneficial fungus. Trichoderma helps improve soil microorganisms, supports organic matter decomposition, and suppresses certain root diseases. After 3 days of germination, you can see that the peanut seeds have sprouted and developed small roots. I'll plant only 3 seeds in each container and gently cover them with soil. Cover the surface with a layer of straw and water it again. Add water to the bottom reservoir so the wicking fabric can supply moisture from below. I'll remove the straw so you can see the peanuts after 1 week. Almost all of them are growing well, with dark green leaves and strong stems. The roots are also developing evenly around the base. I'll add a little more soil around each plant to keep the roots from overheating. After about 10 days, the peanut plants have grown quite quickly, reaching around 10 centimeters in height. The first young leaves have now fully opened. After about 1 month, the peanut plants have grown vigorously and risen above the edge of the paint buckets. Many new leaves have appeared. Let me show you the roots underneath. You can clearly see the roots gripping the soil firmly, growing long and extending nearly to the bottom of the container. This is also the perfect time to provide additional nutrients. I'll use small fish as a natural organic fertilizer. Placing about 5 fish into each container before covering them with soil. As they gradually decompose, they provide essential nutrients that help the peanut plants grow stronger, flower sooner, and produce more peanuts. After 40 days, the plants have grown much taller, with sturdy stems and healthy green leaves. I can already see small flowers appearing. To ensure the plants have enough nutrients, I'll mix composted cow manure with organic soil. Then I'll mound it around each container. This also provides another important benefit. After pollination, the peg grows downward due to gravity. The tip of the peg penetrates about 2 to 7 centimeters into the soil. If the soil is too hard, the peg cannot penetrate easily, which reduces pod formation. After 2 months, peanut pods are gradually forming underground. The plants have grown very tall and are approaching harvest time, so maintaining adequate moisture is important to produce large, well-filled peanuts. After 3 months, the leaves begin turning yellow. The plants have fully matured, and the pods beneath the soil have reached a good size. Why are they called peanut pods rather than peanut tubers? I'm sure many people don't fully understand this. A peanut pod develops from the flower's ovary after fertilization. Inside the pod are peanut seeds, which develop from fertilized ovules, so it is classified as a fruit. A tuber, on the other hand, is a storage organ that develops from roots or stems. These are two completely different structures. Now, let's harvest and see how many peanuts we got. Wow, there are so many! The roots have filled the entire container. I barely lifted the plant and already got this many peanuts. There must be plenty more deeper inside. Let me pull up the next container and see. This one also produced a large number of peanuts. Now I'll gather everything together, clean them thoroughly, and store them for later use. From the peanuts I just harvested, I'll roast them into one of my favorite snacks. Once roasted, they have a wonderful aroma, a lightly crispy shell, and a rich, naturally nutty flavor inside.